Hi, welcome to the LCM and GCF calculator created by Gonzalez and Palomares. So today we're going to show you how your tool works, which calculates the least common multiple or LCM and greatest common factor or GCF for three to two-digit numbers. So by the way, this is our code, the assembly, the code for GCM and LCM calculator. So that's the code. So let's go to the CMD. So before we get started, let's get compiled first the ASM file. So first, locate the file where it was located. So it was located at the downloads and Marcangelo Gonzalez folder. So after we locate the ASM file, just type the nasam-f win32 and the file name. So it it is this function assemble the code. Then after assemble it, next we have we type the gcc file name .obj. So this prompt um, object the file and create an executive file also. Then after we object and assemble it, we execute the file. Then it will works as if. So to begin, the there is a three option: the exit, LCM, and GCF. Now let's enter the number one choice, which is the LCM, and enter the three two-digit numbers separated by space. So we just type the 75 space 30 and 50. So it will calculate the LCM. Yan. LCM if 150 it will automatically calculate. Then next, enter choice 2, which is GCF, 30 neg 30 negative 66 99. So enter. So in shows that input should only be between 1 to 299 plus enter valid input. So that's why kaya nag-error kasi nag-negative 66. So gawin nating positive 66, 66 and 99. So the GCF is 3. Then enter choice 2. Let's 2. Enter 2 digit numbers. Try natin 5, 43 and 29. Enter. So the GCF is 1. The GCF of 5, 43 and 29 is 1. So try put natin ang 11 and kunin natin ang LCM na 11, 11, 4, and 8. So, ang sagot ay 88, LCM 88. Then, ulit 1, 20, 40, ay sorry, 80, and 40. So, ang sagot ay LCM 80. Then, try natin mag-enter ng wala sa choices, like 3. So, invalid choices, please select a valid option from the menu. So, kasi walang number 3 sa option. So, 0 for enter. And thank you. That's all for our code. Sana naintindihan nyo po. Salamat.